Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips series, where we walk you through making the best possible choice in quality parts. In this episode, we'll deal with your car's air filter. An air filter is, in many cases, one of the easy items to replace yourself. But if you're new to vehicle maintenance, you might still want to get your work inspected by a trained technician. Remember, you should always replace the air filter as per the vehicle manufacturer guidelines and have it checked at every general service or at least once a year. This interval should be increased if traveling regularly on dirt roads. The air filter prevents insects, dust, particles, sand, or any other kinds of debris from entering or clogging the engine. This ensures the correct mixture of air and fuel to keep your car running at its best. It might be time for an air filter change if your petrol consumption has drastically increased, the air filter itself is dirty, or your car idles with an irregular rhythm. Goldwagen can help you find the right air filter for your car. All you need to do is bring us your VIN number located on your car's license disc. The vehicle we're using for demonstration purposes is a 2011 Renault Sandero 1.6. The principle is the same for most brands of vehicles. Goldwagen offers a wide range of filter brands, including Mann & Hummel, Blueprint, Myler, Bosch, Topran, Vickers, and Borsahung. We're sure to have a filter that suits any customer's choice of brand and budget. We also recommend that you compare the new filter with the old one before you replace it to ensure that it's the correct size. Regardless of the filter you end up buying, the installation process remains the same. In most makes of modern vehicles, the air filter tends to be located near the front of the engine compartment, inside a black plastic box. Some cars, however, have larger air filters that are clearly visible in the form of a metal cylinder. If you're unsure, check your vehicle owner's manual. To replace the old filter, undo the casing's clips or screws to open. Be sure to open the box carefully so as not to damage any surrounding parts. Then, slide or clip the old filter out of place. Take care that no debris, leaves, or other particles get left behind, as these may damage the engine. Here's a quick tip. Pay attention to the old filter's shape as well as which side is the top, as this will help you place the new filter correct side up. Then, wipe down the filter box with a soft, dry rag before sliding or clipping the new filter into place. Again, be sure you've slotted it in correctly. If you're having any difficulty putting it in place, check that you aren't accidentally orientating the filter the wrong way, as the new filter should fit in quite easily if placed correctly. Once you're certain the new filter is fitted correctly, seal up the casing. Be sure that there are no visible gaps and that the box is sealed properly once it's been closed. Check the surrounding parts, especially the pipes and wires, to ensure that nothing has been damaged during the air filter replacement. A damaged pipe can suck in dirt, causing damage to the engine, turbo, etc. As a final check, start the engine and listen for any signs of air being sucked in through the filter housing. Reconfirm that all clips are correctly in place and check that the housing is sealed and aligned. If all's okay, then close the bonnet and you're good to go. Of course, if all this still seems a little complex for you, you could always just purchase your quality air filter from Goldwagen and then ask your local technician to fit it for you. Need help finding quality parts? Goldwagen can assist you to make the right choice. Goldwagen, quality parts for the widest range of vehicles.